It only went to number 14 back in '72 because the front row didn't buy it. All you people back there, nice job. It also became a big hit pre-pandemic because it was the song that ended the show Breaking Bad. If you watch Breaking Bad, if you're going to watch it, this is the song where Walter White dies at the end. Hey, if you haven't seen it by now, that's the way it goes. And it became a big hit on Apple Music, so all the kids got into it, which is really cool. Sorry. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess I got what I deserve. Kept you waiting there too long, my love. All that time without a word. Didn't know you'd think that I'd forget. Well, I'd regret the special love I have for you, my baby blue. All those days became so long. Did you really think I'd do you wrong? Dixie, when I let you go, don't you realize I will know, I will show the special love I have for you, my baby blue. What can I do? What can I say? Except that I want you by my side. I cannot show me the way. Don't you know the time to try? Cause that's all I have to say. Except the feeling just grows stronger every day. Just one thing before I go. Take good care, baby, let me know. Let it grow. The special love you have for me, my Dixie dear. Thank you very much.